This video tutorial discusses how to use filter feature for Creo video tutorials in Punditas AI Advisor. Punditas is an AI-powered platform revolutionizing the way users train, adopt, and excel with enterprise software like PTC Creo parametric. By leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, Punditas adapts to user preferences, learns individual needs, and delivers what truly matters, transforming the software experience like never before. Discover the power of enhanced relevance with Punditas AI's filtering features. Tailor your PTC Creo video search to your specific needs and save time by minimizing irrelevant results. Create a personalized learning experience and gain quick access to the latest and most up-to-date content. Start streamlining your search process today. Search for any Creo-related topic within the search box provided, for example, Create Component. Punditas AI-based Insights Engine presents search results in the form of a knowledge graph that includes help documents, video tutorials, enhancements for PTC Creo as shown in the picture. The left pane allows filtering of perspectives such as product, support, customer, references, and partner. 106 search results for Create Component is displayed, of which 47 search results pertaining to video tutorials. Now let's explore the 47 video tutorials available for Create Component. To access the Creo filter feature, simply expand or open the side navigation bar by clicking the arrow button or click on the filter button. The left pane allows you to filter search results. The left pane allows users to filter video tutorials based on criteria such as published date, relevance to the searched words, topics or phrases, and channel name. For example, the filter includes 10 Creo channels, each containing references to Create Component. Here's an example of filtered Creo video tutorials, based on channel names like PTC Learning Connector. Once a video tutorial is clicked, it can be viewed on the source site. Discover how Punditas AI's filtering features can streamline your search for PTC Creo video tutorials. Personalize your learning, save time, and quickly access the most up-to-date content. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.